Mark with Motoring Motivations. We've done another modification or update to Christie's 2012 Mini Cooper JCW Coupe. This time we've updated the e-brake pull handle with the carbon fiber JCW pull. The stock one, as you see in the background on the passenger seat, it was just the black plastic, and the gator was the vinyl with the black stitching. So what we've done is updated that with the carbon fiber Mini Cooper factory John Cooper Works carbon fiber pull handle, and the gator also was updated with the one with the red stitching to go with the seats and the gator that's on the shift knob. So we've added those two. In the background you can see the one that was on it was just black and black stitching, and the newer one it's a carbon fiber pull handle and the gator with the red stitching. So we've updated this to match the shift knob and go well. The idea was to complement the car with accents of John Cooper Works. This one was a base one. That's a John Cooper Works. However, it didn't have a lot of the extra thrills and frills, I guess. So what we've done is we retrofitted a lot of this stuff back into it to give a little more of a kick. This whole center console, we've added the armrest, the carbon fiber shift knob, what I just discussed, the brake handle and the gator with that, and we've blacked out the under the shift knob. This ring was chrome, these were silver, and we've basically painted those flat black to kind of blend in, so you're all eyes drawn to the carbon fiber pieces. But that's the latest update on Christie's Enchantress. Thank you.